Welcome to this week's edition of The Artistic Biker. Last time on The Artistic Biker, I didn't know the answers to life, the universe, and everything. And then the answers to life, the universe, and everything was bestowed upon me. Then she went to work, and I had the rest of the day to myself while I walked around on my day off for my birthday. I went and got my eyes checked. I went and got a physical. I had a massage. It was wonderful. It was a great birthday. Thank you for all of the birthday wishes that came. But I turned 42 the last time we had a show. This week, however, we've had some funky weather that my dog has never seen before, and I kind of want to play around with that a little bit. So with that, I'm going to turn the page and I'm going to get started.
Raindrops are falling on my head, just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed. Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job, those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, those blues they send to greet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops are falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.